She is modeling this alarm clock that creeps me out. Pause for a moment while she gets ready. There's probably one on the door. Anything. Hold on. Technical difficulties. Ow! Oh! It can move. It goes up the stairs. It can walk backwards. Oh, it's dark.
Wait, where's your phone tab?
On the door. Right there on the door. Or that huge pink. Yeah.
No! Oh, that's great.
Yes. Let's see what time it is. It is. I can't read a clock. I'm not old enough. Going back downstairs. Oops. Oh no! Alarm clock on the ground. All right. Hello there. This is her trying to be that doll.
Yeah. Wait, one second.